Think about how many doors you have in your home. Now, think about how much space they take up, swinging open, blocking furniture, creating bottlenecks. But what if I told you there was a simple, stylish solution that saves space, enhances design, and even increases accessibility? Enter the pocket door. Today, we're going to be talking about pocket doors, their modern design, and the space-saving features that they bring. Let's get it. One of the biggest reasons to choose pocket doors is space saving. Traditional doors require clearance to swinging open, and each eats up about 10 square feet. In small spaces like bathrooms, closets, pantries, and laundry rooms, that's a game changer. Instead of maneuvering around a bulky door, a pocket door disappears into the wall, freeing up valuable real estate for storage, furniture, or just better flow. Today we're at Cedar and Slate. Now this home is large. However, they are using pocket doors in several areas of the home because they save space. In fact, come with me real quick. So pocket doors aren't just about function. They are also an element that can elevate the design. And in this home, a traditionally designed home, we've got crown molding, we've got a lot of different traditional elements, like in the bathroom over here. They have a coping that's beautiful. And you could see earlier with this design, the doors are very ornate. And so they hint at the traditional design, but you can get glass panels, you can get fluted glass, you can get all different types of wood. You could even do metal. I've seen it done before. But there are so many different elements that can actually elevate the design of your home. So it's not just function, it can also be design. Beyond style, pocket doors also make homes more accessible for anyone with mobility challenges. Swinging doors can be a hassle, especially in tight spaces. So pocket doors remove an obstacle, offering a smooth, effortless transition between rooms. And with soft close mechanisms, they are safer for kids and older adults, preventing slamming and pinching of fingers. Now, some people hesitate on pocket doors because of myths about durability and installation. Yes, older pocket doors used to have flimsy tracks and wobbly movement, but today's systems are stronger, smoother, and built to last. With quality hardware and proper installation, they're just as durable, if not more, than traditional doors. And if you're worried about retrofitting them into your existing home, it's easier than you think, especially for non-load bearing walls. So should you consider pocket doors for your project? Short answer is yes. If you want it to be sleek design, you want to maximize space, you want to make it easy to transition from one room to another like this, absolutely a must. But that's for you guys to decide. Thanks for watching this video. I know it's short, but we appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, leave a comment below if you think pocket doors are a must or a bust. Thanks for watching.